Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Hobby Time. So I came across a lot of different new things, and I thought I'd share them with you and see what you guys think about it. So definitely give me some feedback, alright? Come along with this journey with me. Alright, let's get started. Okay, check it out, guys. Look at this. So they're called Zuru Snackles. Which snackle will you unpack? And it has all these guys. Trying to get as close as possible without making it all weird. Back there. And it says, unbox me, I double in size. Both of them have this chick on the front. All of them had the chick on the front. But this one's holding Pringles. Just got two. Just wanted to see what they were. So, and they're from the mini brands. Mini brand seems to be coming out with a lot of cool stuff. So, lots of stuff to unbox. Let me know. At the end, let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, if you want more, why don't these open nice for me? They're against me. Either that or I just really have issues. Or no patience to slowly open things. Just too excited and I just want to rip into them. These are huge, so if it doubles in size, like what is this, a full-size stuffed animal? Get off! But, I don't know. Like, there's a bear with the Hershey's, and I'm thinking they'll have a list. Most of these always come with lists. But I can never assume, because who knows what these companies are thinking. If they're thinking. Maybe the second one will open nicer. We shall see. Kind of wish you could see what I just saw. My dog struggling to get up off the couch. She was laying on her back, and her legs just go because she couldn't get up. Fat dog. Okay, like it already popped open. I'm trying to just get. It's yellow. I think we got the chick. Oh gosh. Okay. Nothing. Okay, clearly we got the chick. So it's like holding the Pringles. I don't know if it's doubling in size. Well, I mean, I guess it doubles in size. If I get two chicks, that's gonna be. If really this is what you get, and all that's left is chicks, that's gonna be kind of telling. I'll have to look. And then it's not really a surprise, is it? I'm trying to fluff it up a little bit here. Hold on. The Pringles is really cute. It's not really mini. I mean, it's mini, but not like the mini brand other size, because the mini brands are like pew, teeny tiny. This is cute. Like, it definitely needs to be. I'm trying to fluff it up. It's a good size. It's really soft. These little feathers are soft. Here's your chick. What do you guys think? It's really fluffy. I'm trying to. But this is like attached. Like, it is. If you can see, it's not just glued on there. It's like sewn onto it. So it's not just going to rip off, which is nice. I thought it would be like glued on cheesily, but it's not. Let's see what's in this thing here. Is it just a list? No. Not just a list. Okay. So it's stickers. It's a little Pringles guy. Snackles. Snackles stories. Take a minute to look that over if you want. Pause it, read it, do what you gotta do. Obviously, he's in love with this chicken. But he's more in love with his Pringles. I don't know. That's how I interpret it. Anyway, that's the chicken story. Here you go. Sorry. My bad. What they all come with. Scan that, I guess. Ooh, the cow has Mike and Ike's. I like the cow. Oh, the dragon has Tabasco. Makes sense. This one's called Danny. The Benji, the dog one, has ramen. And they're all really kind of cute. Mentos. Mint! I like the fruity Mentos. But I think I want the cow because I like Mike and Ike's. So let's hope that it's not another chicken. I really hope that just because it's on the outside, that's not what we get. But he's pretty good size. He's cute. He's got his little story. Let's see who else. Hey! Look at that. Ow. Okay. I hope they're not all the same. But then it's really not a surprise. I mean, it doesn't really... It says who will you unwrap, so I'm guessing it's supposed to be a surprise. Ow. Such vicious plastic. You guys look first. Okay, it's not the same. We got a sloth with some crazy... It needs to brush his hair. Oh, it's very soft. Okay, it's very soft and sheddy. Hang on, it's... Oh my gosh, it's fluffing everywhere. Do you see this? Yeah, it's fluffing everywhere. Oh my gosh. It's cute. It's a push pop. It's soft, but it's fluffing everywhere. Okay. It's a good flavor, strawberry. She's cute. I like her pink. It's very bright, very cute. I like her. Okay, so we didn't get a chicken, so that's good. That's good that that's just the outside is a chicken, but it's kind of ironic we got the one on the package. There's no rares or anything that I saw. They just are what they are. These guys are cute. I like these. I think I might get some more of these. These are pretty cute. Let's see. I guess she would come with her story and her sticker. Yeah, see, she comes with her sticker. And all of her hair. Typical girl shedding her hair everywhere. Obviously, you got the Snackles. Another list. What's her name, though? I still want the cow. The sloth's name is Susie. And her story. Oh, it took her all the way from February to December to get to her push pop. Because she's a sloth. I don't know about doubling in size from their ball. I mean, they're slightly bigger, but I wouldn't say double in size. They are very soft and plushy. These are really cute. I'd say they're worth it. They're pretty cute. And I do have a sticker book, so I probably will use some of these. And I would get more. I think I'll get more. At least a couple more. Let me know what you guys think. Should I get some more? Which ones are you hoping to see? Comment in the bottom, though, which ones you guys want to see. Who do you want to see? Who you hoping for? Who? Let me know. Comment below and see who we're all hoping for. Kind of like vote. Which one you guys want to see? Obviously, we already have a couple. And we could keep trying until we get the one that everybody wants. Alright? Let me know, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really had fun. It's kind of a weird mix. Anyway, see you guys later. Thanks for visiting. Comment below, like the button, share with your friends, subscribe. Bye, guys.